Alfred Korzybski, the founder of General Semantics, profoundly impacted the way we understand the relationship between language, thought, and reality. His theories revolve around the premise that the structure of language shapes our perceptions and behaviors. By examining Korzybski's ideas through a framework of logical triads, we can gain deeper insights into the mechanisms by which semantics influences thought. Korzybski's General Semantics is based on the idea that human knowledge and communication are limited and distorted by language. He emphasized the importance of recognizing the abstraction process, where reality, the event, is abstracted into objects, descriptions, and further into higher levels of inference. This process can be mapped onto various logical structures that illustrate the interrelations and influences among these levels of abstraction. General Semantics provides a profound lens through which to explore the interplay between language, thought, and reality. Today, we consider 4 key themes of Korzybski's work to better understand the mechanisms through which semantics influences thought. The 4 themes are the abstraction process, feedback loops in understanding, the role of nonlinearity, and the integration and disintegration of knowledge. At the heart of Korzybski's philosophy is the abstraction process, which illustrates how humans move from direct experience to higher levels of interpretation. This process can be aligned with the concept of logical triads, in which each element influences and is influenced by others in a cycle of abstraction and refinement. Korzybski's structural differential is a tool that demonstrates how experiences A, objects B, and descriptions C coexist and are interconnected. In this model, direct experiences are abstracted into objects, which are further abstracted into descriptions. This triadic relationship shows how our understanding of reality is mediated by language, emphasizing the interconnected nature of these abstractions. The principle of non-identity, which asserts that the map is not the territory, corresponds to the equilibrium between negative states. Our perceptions are not the same as the reality, and our descriptions are further removed from the actual events. This non-equivalence maintains a balance where the recognition of each level's limitations prevents the conflation of words with the things they represent. Feedback loops are crucial in the way our understanding evolves, correcting and reinforcing perceptions through continual evaluation and re-evaluation. In the abstraction process, sensory experiences A lead to perceptions B, which then lead to linguistic descriptions C. Each step reinforces and builds upon the previous one in a cyclical manner. This positive feedback loop illustrates how our initial interpretations influence subsequent abstractions, continuously shaping our worldview. Korzybski emphasized the non-linear nature of knowledge and understanding, rejecting simple cause and effect relationships in favor of more complex, interconnected processes. Korzybski's non-Aristotelian logic, which recognizes that relationships are not strictly linear, aligns with nonlinear dynamics in logical triads. This perspective acknowledges that our experiences and descriptions are influenced by a multitude of factors that interact in nonlinear ways, making the abstraction process more dynamic and complex than simple linear models suggest. The concept of time binding, where knowledge is passed through generations leading to cumulative cultural advancements, reflects a nonlinear causal relationship. This illustrates how the absence of initial knowledge leads to a lack of innovation, while the presence of knowledge fosters further developments, demonstrating the nonlinear progression of human understanding. The integration and disintegration of knowledge highlight how coherent and fragmented understandings impact our perception and behavior. Semantic integration involves creating a holistic understanding where experiences, perceptions, and descriptions are harmoniously integrated. This reflects how accurate experiences and descriptions contribute to a comprehensive and coherent worldview, reinforcing each other and fostering deeper insights. Conversely, semantic breakdown occurs when incorrect perceptions and descriptions lead to flawed experiences. This disintegration of knowledge results in fragmented understanding and miscommunication. When the abstraction process is flawed, it creates a vicious cycle of misunderstanding that hinders effective communication and accurate perception. Korzybski's General Semantics, when examined through the framework of logical triads, reveals the intricate ways in which semantics influences thought. The abstraction process, feedback loops, nonlinearity, and integration and disintegration of knowledge all illustrate how language shapes our understanding of reality. By recognizing and analyzing these patterns, we can better navigate the complexities of communication and improve our perception of the world, ultimately leading to more accurate and meaningful interactions.